Hello. Hi, how's it going? It is Friday, and that means we are back once again on the factory floor making parts. It's exciting. We're getting close. I can feel it. We're the end is in sight. There's like I think a dozen pieces to make left at this point. And just a little bit of like sideways cleanup that has to happen. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Hello.
How are you doing?
Good. Wow, you are very loud. It's not
All
your.
right.
No,
You're
you are fine. I have you boost up to like to 200, and today I do not need that. So whatever you've done with your microphone, is effective.
The only thing I've done different was I played 10 minutes of Zelda Classic before you came online. That's it.
How very odd. Well, whatever works for me. Okay, how you doing?
I'm doing all right. How about you?
Yeah, I'm all right. I got a haircut. Wow, I'm already dropping
Nice.
frames. Huh, that was weird.
Yeah. You usually drop a couple at the beginning.
Yeah, I wonder if that's just because, like, computer load. As, like, I just am loading up Satisfactory, so I wonder if that's literally just, like, a processing spike.
Maybe.
Because if I recall correctly, I'm pretty sure I use CPU processing instead of GPU. But I can't remember.
It's been a while.
I haven't looked at my settings in forever.
Yeah. I will note that your stream title still says Everspace.
God damn it, does it really?
It does. Although you are tagged for it.
How about now?
Hasn't changed yet.
Oh, that part didn't change. Whoopsie doodle. But the game says Satisfactory, right?
The game is Satisfactory, yes.
Alright, there we go.
There
Thank you.
Not a problem.
Alright. Cool. I'm a professional. Okay, so some quick pieces of business for us to resolve. So last time you went to bed, or at least stopped streaming like a smart person, and I continued streaming because that's me.
Right. And then
I built
me at like 1 o'clock saying that you were done.
Yeah, that was a stupid thing I did. But anyways, I have built, I don't know if you're on the map yet. I don't think you are.
Not even a little bit.
Okay, that's fine. I built a 4th reactor that is eating plutonium.
Right. Nom nom nom.
And then I looked at our thing and I realized actually we need another one eating plutonium. And we need to crank them both up to 200%.
Do we need?
Yes, according to your spreadsheet. Because originally we needed like 5 of the one and 4 of the other. So I don't feel like building 4 nuclear reactors.
Sure. I will warn that the spreadsheet I created was created by an idiot, so we should take it with a grain of salt. But
well, I mean, it's not that hard to build another reactor. The only frustrating part of that is we will need to ship more water up.
Right. Because
basically each one of those pipes supports a juiced up plant.
Right.
Which is fine. It's just that's the thing that needs to happen. We need to add to the Great Canadian Water Pipeline to get that up there.
Right. Here's something fun I didn't realize.
What's that?
You can control Satisfactory with controller.
Huh.
I don't know why you'd want to do that. But can.
Because I guess eventually they want to be able to release this on Xbox.
I cannot imagine playing a game like this on a controller.
People play Minecraft with controller.
I could see with Minecraft.
Can
There's
you?
a lot more buttons in this one.
Is there though?
There is. Minecraft has like 2 buttons. 3 if you include jump. 4 if you include crouch.
What was this make before? Steel beams.
5 if you include run.
Anywhoots, so that's the thing that we gotta do. Is
6.
another
Okay, yeah.
another nuclear plant, and another water feed to it.
Right.
And then juicing them up, and then that part's kind of just done. That should, theoretically, be all of our power, quote, done, end quote.
Right. Okay, I can get the water. I can get a water pipe going.
Okay. Another question I had is, we built all the heat sinks, right?
We did. Yes.
We needed 2 heat sink machines?
Something like that. It was like 1.1 or something.
No, I have it as 2 on this list. Anyways, we didn't mark it off, so that's why I'm checking.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
right.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11 normal parts left, and then all of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 mission parts. That's real close.
We're getting there.
Yeah, so I'm hoping we can get the power sorted, and then we can just knock out a bunch of these. Like motors, rotors, should be pretty straightforward. Computers. Oh, we're doing AI limiters, right? We finished that too.
Yeah, we did.
Yes, because we needed them for control rods? Yes.
Yes.
Yes? Hold on.
Yes.
No, that was high. Okay. I'm going to highlight that one for now, but that may or may not actually
high-speed connectors went into AI limiters, or vice versa. And whatever the second stage of that.
Yeah, so the AI limiters was the 1.1 machines.
Right.
That's what you're thinking of. But I do remember building heat sinks. Do I remember building heat sinks? Hold on.
I know we did heat sinks.
Heat exchanger. Yeah, because it was rubber. It was rubber and something. Yeah.
I remember because I got confused with the second, like the Mark II heat sinks, which are
the cooling systems.
Whatever is the cooling systems, right?
Yeah.
Which are significantly more complicated.
Yeah, they're a lot juicier. Okay. So hey, look at that. 2 more things marked off the list. So yeah, let's build a nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant. Add to my to-do list. Crap, I need heavy modular frames. Where are those?
So because you're slightly more familiar with it than me, do we need a full 600 of water?
It's pretty close. It's like 500 and something. Just give me 600.
Good enough. Yeah. That is totally fine.
Okay, there we go. I've got everything I need for another power plant. I'm just gonna go gracefully run up there, not die.
Ambitious.
Well, there's a couple more ramps than there used to be. It should be slightly less dangerous for me.
If only we could like put safety railings on like slopes and stuff. That would make it especially safe.
Yes, those things we definitely use all the time. And are extremely conscientious of. Okay, there we go.
Water. I'm excited to find out which part of this run I'm not gonna be able to build more poles for.
Oh my god, I can't see. There we go. It's so dangerous up here. There's no lights. What idiot decided to come up here and build all this stuff and not put a single light up here?
I don't know. Lights are for jerks and losers.
Jerks and losers. You heard it here first. Okay.
To be fair, that probably does describe us too. However,
I don't consider myself to be a jerk or a loser, but I guess most people wouldn't.
I think I'm sometimes a jerk. I try and rein that part of myself in.
Yeah, that's fair. I'm probably also, yes, I also probably suffer from that. I'm not an intentional jerk, which is, I guess, a bit better.
Oh, hey, do you remember when I was wondering which part of the build I was not going to be able to do? It's the first part.
What? Why?
Literally the first thing I want to build. The
What's
first
that?
stacking pole I can't do.
Oh, for fuck.
Alright, hold on.
Could you build, hold on, can you build under them? Because I feel like that whole pipeline I just did on stacking poles, so technically there should be a space under them.
There
so
is.
you could just do that.
But that means I have to. Oh, I'm also building the wrong ones. What am I doing? I'll make it work. Don't worry. I'm just frustrated and annoyed. I don't like calling it. In most cases.
Okay, so if I want to build a nuclear power plant. Okay, is that in line? Right there. Okay. Okay, delete this line for this output something. It hurts me.
Alright. Excellent work, Mike.
Alright. Let's pop a splitter. Logistics. Get a splitty splat right here.
So how was your week?
It was alright. Can't really complain. I got a haircut today.
Alright.
It's always nice.
Yeah. This week felt like it was 100 years long. Just because how busy it was. Not necessarily in a bad way. Just, you know, a lot of stuff to do. A lot of projects coming to a head. Gotta get ready for the weekly launch, and then the weekly launch goes all the way sideways, and we don't get to launch it. It's not our fault.
Sure, but it's still unfortunate.
Yeah, it is. It's fun. It'll be funny next week.
Will it?
Yes, I'm confident about that.
So is there any way to reuse this plutonium waste? Do we use that for anything?
No.
Okay,
We
so
use
it's,
that for
it's
ensuring
the new...
that plants will never grow here again.
Okay, cool. Cool. Wait, why can't
Which,
I build this?
that said,
I can't build
we
those?
should probably
That's hilarious.
we should probably build a place to put that is not the existing uranium storage.
Yeah, right now I
need that.
just made a box to put them into because it does produce at a much lower rate.
Right. 50%, if I'm not mistaken.
He says about to juice it up to 200.
Right.
So
well,
yeah,
yes.
consumption is 507 water.
Okay. That's a weird way of saying 600.
Well, that's why I said just give you 600 and then you don't need to worry about like any weirdness, right?
Yep.
Okay, so there's that. How am I gonna get the water up here? Things did get a little silly yesterday. Or not yesterday. That's not how that word works.
The last
Yeah.
business
Last time on Dragon Ball Z.
stream.
Do we even need what is this giant water fluid container for?
That was to try and even out the water usage. Because the lag on the water consumption of the pipes.
Right. Okay.
I would recommend not removing it.
Long story short, we are absolutely unable to run this water at the same place as the other water. It's just not going to happen.
Okay.
So instead, I'm going to put it in a new spot. We're just going to live with it.
Ominous.
It's
probably
fine. It is fine. It's just I managed to run all the other pipes through the same tiny little hole, and that's just not a reality at this point. That's all.
Got it.
It's not the end of the world or anything. It's just, yeah.
Not yet.
We hopefully won't be here at that point in time.
So that's all those pumps going now.
You go here. You go here. And you go here. And then, hopefully, you go down. Oh lord. Oh lord. I mean, pipe is too long. Bullshit's too long. How is that too long? It's the same ding dang. Oh wait, no, it's not. Hold on. Wow. Wow, we really pushed that pipe to the limit. Holy moly.
Hmm. This would work. This one works. God, I wish I knew what was causing this.
Causing what, sorry?
The build glitch.
Oh. Yeah, me too. Okay, how do I get down?
If for no other reason than so I can stop complaining about it.
Hmm. Well, soon we'll be done.
It'd be sooner if I could build properly.
That's true. I built a ladder.
Congratulations. I'm happy for you.
Should be. Monkey's using tools for the first time. In order to, like, get up and down all this water shenanigans, I was like, there's no safe way for me to get down, he said, fully capable of solving his own problem. If only someone had thought of it. Something.
If only there was a safe way of vertical locomotion.
Admittedly, this ladder's not great.
Yeah, also ladders are not a safe means of locomotion.
No.
It's very much a surprise mechanics sort of situation.
I hate when the autosave kicks in when I'm, like, mid-step in a perilous location. It's like, I don't know how much extra walk it just gave me. Is there an extra power pole? There is. Good.
Alright, we're just here. Okay.
Here. Then, where am I? I am right here. So, right here.
So do you have a rough idea of where this pipe's coming up?
Yeah, if you look up, you're probably gonna see it.
Alright, I'm running back for a moment. But I will check it out.
I'm trying to actually build my way down so that there's not so much guesswork as it is just wiring it up.
Right.
I'm trying to be smart about it. He said forgetting to install a fucking pump on the previous line. Like an idiot. So you go up to, let's say about there. Let's connect that. Okay, and I think I can switch back to my jetpack here. Yeah, perfect. Oh, wrong way. There we go. Up there? Yeah.
Makes it all the way to this other pump.
Hmm?
I said the little indicator went all the way up.
Good. It's kind of hard to see from here. Okay, there we go. And then
All right.
if you're going to connect on the bottom, you should be able to see this.
Yes.
Do you have the parts for a pump? Because if
I
not,
do.
I'll just wait and.
I have the parts for several pumps.
Good. Okay.
What I don't have is perspective. Let's see if I can.
Hold on. Here, how do I do this? You can sort of see where I am.
No, I can see where it is. I just can't. I can't see the other endpoints on the other side of the platform. I need to get over here. Perfect.
Cool. That's monstrous. All right.
If the game allows it, and it does.
Game allows all manner of things.
And then we'll just put this right here.
Throw my hazmat
This is
suit
probably
back.
way overkill. But
What, the pumps you mean?
this pump down here.
No, I think we did need one on the bottom. But
Maybe, but I have one right at the source, and it can't be. There's no way this 50 meters elevated between the pumps and. That
I
first
don't know
tier.
how pumps work if it of like elevation versus distance. Like, does it automatically?
It is
do-
strictly
regard-
elevation.
Okay, so as long as you put a pump on it, anywhere down the line, it will support that.
Yeah.
Okay.
To the point
then,
where
yeah, it's probably
there
massively
is
overkill.
an exploit. That's kind of an exploit you can do
Oh, really?
where you have like one of those water tank things at the next to the power plants.
Mm-hmm.
If we were to hook up the output to a pipe that went all the way down to ground level,
Mm-hmm.
and then like put a valve on it or something to crank it to zero,
Okay.
that would supply pressure from all the way up top all the way down to the bottom, like whatever that distance is,
Oh,
for the
really?
entire pipeline.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I haven't actually like messed around with it to see what that makes possible.
Oh, I need
But-
one more. Yeah, I need one more pump on here. So it should be. Yeah, you're telling me where it's supposed to go, but I don't trust it. Move it down a tiny bit. Okay, and I just need some power.
Did I not meet this? Oh, wait.
Okay. Alright, there we go. Waters are flowing.
Oh.
Flow rate of enough.
I made a ladder to go up, and then immediately realized I did not want to do that because of all the radiation.
Okay. Watching the consumption rate on this thing. It is slowly getting higher. 38, 40, 42, 44, 47, 49. Peaks at 50, peaks at 50, peaks at 50. Yeah, alright. What's the flow rate on this? Well, it's a little shaky. That makes sense, though, because this thing just, like, takes a big drink and it has to refill, right?
Yes,
So,
something
yeah.
like that.
Alright. Oh, boy. There we go. Okay. And, oh, yeah, I gotta juice that one up. I don't remember if I did. Yep. Okay. There we go. So, we should have a shitload of power.
All right,
Let's see.
let's see. It says that our maximum capacity is about 22 gigawatts.
Okay,
Seems
that's
like a lot.
That's a little bit lower than I think your initial projections, but
I think that might be all right because my initial projections do include running those particle accelerators at full power, which I would like to try and avoid if we can.
Right, and how is that going to affect our actual time?
Whoops.
Wait, hold 5, 10, 15. Why is it? Hold on.
What's up?
Why is this saying our max is... Our production is 22?
That's what I just read out.
Yes, I know. And that doesn't make sense to me. Reason being... Uh-oh, this one's suffering. This one's not getting enough water. Huh. Why are you not getting enough water? Excuse me?
Did you leave the water tank that was meant to buffer out?
Yeah, I did.
Are you sure? Because I don't see a water tank.
Okay, it sorted itself out? That was weird. Anyways, my point being, these are all supposed to be targeting 5,000 megawatts, and they're not doing it. They're doing like 4,200 in change. Yeah, they're all doing 4,200.
I'm looking at your stream, and where does it say what it's actually doing?
Right there.
Oh, there. Let's see.
But we're targeting 5,000.
Right.
My only thought is possibly the water, somehow, because it dips and comes back up, that is affecting that number. But were that the case, then this one should be fine because it has a water tank regulating it, right? Like, there's absolutely zero reason that this wouldn't or shouldn't have full water. So I don't know why it's doing that.
I also don't know.
My only thought is, what if I do this? So 3 batteries will give us 5,000 and consumes the full 600.
All right, so then probably it's just a glitch or a bug or whatever in the
All right.
that counter, because I know that the reactors scale different than other machines.
Well, you say it's a bug in the reactor, but that's not true because the power pole. Now our production's gone up, right?
I'm saying the 6250 part is a bug.
Oh, this part's wrong, but this part's right.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
okay.
Because these guys are supposed to cap out at 200%.
Right.
With all the cells, so.
Okay.
I guess that they just don't take that into account.
Okay, so should I be leaving these at 250 then? To get the full 5,000? Alright, I guess we'll see what happens, huh?
Yeah.
No, Jesus. Okay. Alright, well. If we run out of power, we'll know why.
Uh-huh.
But I remember, like, looking at the charts, like, this is supposed to be getting us 25,000...
Right.
Whatever the fucks. Megawatts?
Yeah, we are at about, I guess, 25 gigawatts right now. Production. So I guess, actually, it's going up.
Yeah, because I just cranked it up. There.
Oh.
We do have a geyser attached to this thing that is going to give us a little bit of ancillary power.
Sure.
That's why we have kind of a weird production number. What are we at now?
All right.
Production's at 26. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
I think
that's what I expected.
Yeah.
So either we're now overeating fuel and our original math was wrong, or there's a bug with that graph. And or
I think
like,
we both know which is more likely.
Honestly, with the plants, it could be either, because the fact that you can target it says you can target 6,200, but it produces 5,000. Tells me there's a bug with the nuclear plant. So
yeah.
now I just gotta wait for some fuel to eventually show up in this thing. Oh, it's got one. Okay. All right.
Oh, so where's the plutonium waste going?
It is currently going into this box.
Okay.
I mean, we've got a bit of time. We don't have to solve this problem immediately. But yeah,
I just want to know where it is.
It's right here. Okay, so
I should also ask, where did you build these plants? Because, it's just over here.
huh?
I don't actually know where you built plutonium plants. Is this?
Oh, they're just the ones on the end.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
these on the end. I feel like you should spray paint them or something.
We could.
So yeah, there you go. There's all the power sorted. So, with that out of the way, we should now be able to get back to producing all the things.
Yes. That sounds like a good plan.
Oh my god, the radiation reaches so far.
Yeah, it's a little
It stops about here.
Yeah.
Like, that's a huge bubble. It's only gonna get worse. Oh,
Well,
and it
actually,
still hurts. Oh my god, it still hurts. Oh, did the train show up?
I don't actually think it will get worse. I think we're actually probably good.
God. That whole thing is just a death trap. Anywhoots, I'm gonna refill my inventory with some supplies.
So what is on the docket next?
Oh, right. So, rotors, motors, are an easy one, because I'm pretty sure those are just some assemblers. Computers.
What's the biggest thing that's left?
Computers.
I guess it might be computers, yeah.
Well, no, like the adaptive control and automated wiring. But like of the normal parts, computers, supercomputers, and fused frames are the big ones.
I mean, that said, assembly director system needs what? Oh, needs that stuff. Okay.
So,
adaptive control units needs what? Because we could start building some of these things.
Oh, absolutely, we could. So what does a cooling system need? Cooling system, we're using the standard recipe for the cooling system, right, which is in a blender. Okay, so I'm just going to grab the materials for that.
I kind of want to build the final parts, like get all that stuff, all that assemble, like all that factory set up, because it's not going to be a whole lot.
Which one's a rigger motor?
Pull up the recipes, please. Motor.
Is that the one with the oscillators?
No, I think it's the control rod one.
Control rod one? Interesting.
Or is it? I don't remember. Let's look up the.
God, I really wish they would label the alternate recipes. I don't know how railings is a higher rank than putting the label in.
This drives engagement. No, okay, I was wrong. Rigger motor is crystal oscillators.
Is the oscillators? Okay.
Yeah.
So that is 2 manufacturers. 1, 2. Okay. Sorry, I'm like just making a purchasing list because I'm gonna build these machines. I'm gonna code these differently so you don't get in your head to like.
Oh, don't worry. Like I said, I actually want to start from the other end.
Okay. Rotors. Which rotor are we using? We are using the steel rotor. which is going to be this one with the steel pipes, I can only imagine.
Hopefully.
Yeah, there's the other copper wire. That recipe uses copper wire. There you go.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
So, if we were going to build these final parts, they probably feed into each other.
Oh, this is not
in a way that
working
makes them
properly.
easy to cool.
Hold on, shit, that was stupid.
So let's take a look at some stuff. Smart plating.
Okay, that's a similar. Okay, how do I...
Is used in the modular engines, right? So these two go together.
Is there somewhere...
I'm going to label these red.
Cooling system was a thunder.
And then the smart plating, sorry, the modular engines,
The rigger motor was a manufacturer, right?
thermal propulsion rocket. What if you're doing it? The propulsion rockets also need cooling systems or not. No, they're not. Okay, so that can also be red.
Oh, okay, there we go. So the computer. Caterium computer, that's gonna be a manufacturer. Oof, 8 manufacturers. Yikes. Okay. Eight. Okay. Take that one. These are the supercomputer. It's the super state computer. That doesn't tell me anything. Ah, hell. I have to look it up. Satisfactory wiki. Hate this new wiki thing. Supercomputer. What did I say? Super state computer?
Yeah, super state computer.
Yeah, okay. Well, that one's an obnoxious recipe. Okay. That requires more control rods, more battery. Really, more control rods? Okay. I have concerns about our control rod consumption. Like, I assume it's fine, but... Oh, that also eats normal wire.
Built spec.
Yeah,
Hopefully.
manufacturers. Hopefully. Okay, and how many of those do I need? 4 of those. Jesus. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm just gonna start there. Wait, did any of those need crystal oscillators? Oh yeah, something did need crystal oscillators, didn't it?
Yeah, it was the motors.
No, really?
Yeah.
Oh, then I guess I have to build those too then, huh?
It was J28, which is the radio control units and motors.
Okay. Crystal oscillator. This is the insulated oscillator, which is also a manufacturer. Good grief. I need 3 more of those. 2, 3. Good lord, just a sea of manufacturers now. Okay.
Yep, that's the end game for you.
Yeah, sounds about right. Alright. Now, that's 6 things. I think that's an ambitious target for me right now.
Yeah. While you were doing that, I sorted out the build orders for the Sky God parts.
Ooh.
It seems like we have technically 3 mini factories, and then nuclear pasta as the 4th tier, as the 4th pillar. So
All right.
this shouldn't be too difficult to knock out. Although we are going for quantity here over quality, so there are a lot of machines here.
Oh, we're almost out of motors.
Yeah. We should start building some of those.
Yeah, what is this not getting that it needs? It needs pipes. Oh. Hang on. Well, that's resolvable. I think. Oh god. This wants rotors. Well, you know what? You've still got some parts left over. I'll deal with that in a minute. So you... away.
So I know we had initially talked about building the Sky God parts in like a sort of a flower arrangement at the top of the tower. But I'm realizing...
I sort of recall that conversation.
I had mentioned that. But I just realized that there is 2 severe problems with that.
Okay.
One is that the space elevator is on one of the places where I would put one of those pedals.
Oh.
And the other one is firmly within the radiation bubble. Which I would rather not do.
Yeah, it sounds like a bad plan.
Yeah.
Well.
So instead...
To hell with your artistic vision. Okay,
I'm wondering if there's another
okay.
way to do this.
Okay. So that's going to start building stators. So we will start getting motors again in a minute.
Okay.
Thankfully, we don't need, like, a whole heck of a lot because we used most of them already to build everything else.
Right.
So... shouldn't be too bad. I need... oh boy. Is this actively producing modular frames? It is. That's just an extremely slow recipe. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, the question becomes, where the hell do I build all this stuff?
It's a good question, as always. Let's start with these guys. Thermal propulsion rockets are manufacturers, of course.
Dump out my inventory. Anything I need.
Modular engines must be assemblers. Nope,
Sorry?
those are also manufacturers. So I'm mumbling about machines.
Hmm.
And then smart plating has to be assembler. Oh, we're using the alternate, aren't we? Yeah. So that's all manufacturers. Oops, all manufacturers. So that's how many? 9. 9 manufacturers. Oh god, it's gonna need a lot of space.
Okay, I've just realized whatever that silica is feeding, it's not getting enough. Okay. It's just nothing, just something I realized that, like, we're not fully feeding this other half of the line properly. So, I'm just gonna fix that real fast. Quick and dirty. It's alright, quick and dirty. I got it.
I'm looking at your stream.
Right, so
and-
everything on this side was merging over here
Right.
and going up to that way, but this line is being used for something and it's not sending all that much over. So I'm going to take this right here, and I got to merge it onto that line right there.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah. Just to balance it out, because that other line's not used nearly as much, but so this side's the hungry side, and we are starving it. So I'm just gonna try and very gracefully.
Yeah. I think you're about to be sad. Yeah.
Yeah. Kind of figured.
Well, I'll let you figure that out. I have a ton of missions to get parts for.
I have a plan. I have a cunning plan.
Like a bunch of motors. All right. Plastic.
Oh, come on. How is that too steep? Where does it need to go? Where it's happening?
And then heavy frames, which I'm sure we have a ton of.
Wait, what? Hold on. It's a splitter. It's supposed to go that way.
A ton. Definitely.
There. Let's go do with that.
All right. Let's see.
Oh shit. Well, that would do it.
All right. Let's start with the smart plating. That's only 2.
Oh, that's a smart splitter. Definitely don't need that. There we go. Okay, moving on. Back to the original.
Right.
It's the original job.
Yes. Building all the important parts, and we're running out.
Whoops. Ran out of power there. This is high-speed connectors. Oh boy. Where are we beginning to build this stuff? So I need to actually look up some of these recipes and have them tabbed for me.
Power. Where am I gonna get power from? You? No.
So the Caterium computer requires quick wire, circuit boards, and rubber. So where am I making circuit boards? Stators. Oh, this looks like, yeah, okay. Here we go. Circuit boards. Rubber is somewhere. And Caterium is right there. Alright. And how many of these did I need? 8? 8. Okay. Or 7, and I clock one up a tiny bit. I need 7.02 computers.
Yeah.
Gross. Actually, how big is a manufacturer?
Too big.
As the crow flies.
Also, still too big.
Let's see, 1, 2, 3 by. Okay, 3-ish. Okay. Is it true? 1, 2. Yeah. Okay. 3 by 3-ish. All right.
Is that enough room? I'll make it enough room.
That's the attitude.
Alright. So these are making the smart plate. Where is the smart plate? Here it is. That only needs 3 ingredients. Come on.
So 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna make this so I can measure. 1, 2, 3.
Ah, shit. Green.
Wait, do I want to do it that way? It makes more sense just to go long. Alright.
And so these are such. Okay, they just had 100%. Cool. Yeah, we have a box full of smart plating somewhere, don't we?
We do, yes.
Where is it?
Middle floor, it's kind of buried. It's kind of on the right-hand side.
That was a rhetorical question, as usual.
Oh, okay.
Oh no,
mean,
it's automated wiring.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Right, because we have a machine that's just making it for some reason.
Well, it was making it. I don't know if it still is.
In theory, it's making it, but the box is full, so I'm gonna tear that down.
I don't know if it was still connected to its constituent parts.
I'm gonna tear that down, recover those batteries, and then I'm gonna move this box. Well, I'm not gonna leave it there for now. I'll come back to it when I get to the wiring.
Gives a head start on one step.
Yeah.
I mean, we still need so many.
Yeah, I actually have no idea what the actual like absolute counts of all these things are going to be.
Yeah, like what percentage that box gives us.
Yeah.
Probably not that much.
I would say probably at least 10%, but who knows?
Okay, production. Manufacturers.
The modular engines. So that's going to be interesting because it uses the smart plating, but also needs other stuff as well. Obviously. What are those things? Motors and rubber. I guess that makes sense. Alright, we can probably bring this in a little bit. Where it makes sense. Maybe there. Let's say there.
What did I say these are making? The super state computer, right?
Yes.
Oh, wait, hold on. No, wait. No, not the super state computer. Normal ass computers. The therein computer. Yeah. Okay, so.
In my fairness, I
No,
was not
no.
paying attention.
It's totally fine. Okay, so these require quick wire, rubber, and circuit boards. Ooh, that's a lot of quick wire. That's 800 somewhat quick wire. Okay. Where am I getting the quick wire from? I got that one. Feeds into those.
Alright, fine.
Ain't 800 quick wire here. Where am I gonna get that from?
That was not enough.
Wait, hold on. I've got spare ones that are being consumed here, right? Right?
We have, I think we have whole belts that are not being used at the moment. I think.
Okay, you ate those ones. You stole those top two lines there.
Yes, I remember that.
Huh. I think I need to do a little bit of math here. Because I think I actually need to peel the excess off of this other big production. So 37.5. Actually, what? Hold on. What are these making? What is this? Circuit boards. I need 41-ish machines of circuit boards. So that was 1,537 less a little. Like 500 or 1,520. That's 3 belts worth that I had to feed it, I think. Hold on. Is that true? 17, 14, 80, 60. Hold on. Why is this being fed off of so many belts? Fed off of there. Where's this guy going? 60. So that was all just one belt. And yet, this is getting 2 belts worth. Oh, what the fuck?
Have you solved the calculus problem yet?
No. 90, 180, 270, 360, 540, 630, 720. I think one of those is probably clocked down. Yeah, one at the end's probably clocked down. Yeah, I think. I don't know why both of these are feeding into this. Like, quite literally, I don't know why this is like this at all.
I'm sure it's very important.
I don't think it
and
is.
touching it will break everything.
I don't think that's true. Yeah, I think this whole section here is supposed to be fed off of 1 full belt of Caterium. So I just have this extra one here, not doing anything. Well, congratulations. You just got a new job. I actually do need 2 belts of this, so I don't know how the hell I'm going to do this.
Sorry, were you talking to me or the anthropomorphic representation of the Caterium?
The latter.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out how the hell this is going to work.
Yeah, no worries. Should you need my assistance, you know where to find me.
Yeah, I just got to figure out how to get all the Caterium I need. I think I know how to do it. It's bloody awkward. It is. Bloody awkward, as my father would say. Logistics. Let's put a splitter. Right there.
Oh, I know what I'm missing. I forgot to put music on.
Ah.
I was like, it seems awfully quiet when we're both just sort of mumbling into our projects.
Mumbling sweet nothings.
Oops, that's all the music ever created in the world. Oh god. My ears. I don't get it. Music on YouTube is always cranked to 1,000 decibels, but people talking is always cranked down to 0 decibels. Or minus 24 decibels. I don't really know how decibels work.
That probably has as much to do with how it's mixed.
Right.
Because I listen to music in my car, for example. And it's, plenty loud. But when I listen to podcasts, I tend to have to turn it up, even though it was ostensibly the same volume.
Right. Yes, no, I am aware that the volume out of the speakers is also dependent on the content itself. I just want to know why people don't just mix it properly.
It's hard.
And yes, I'm being a joke. That's a joke. Mix it good. Mix it properly so that both speakers and headphones can listen to it at the appropriate volumes. And that it sounds good. And that there's no crackling or artifacting or anything. All right. This was the modular inputs right here. Are these all just 100%? Basically. I don't know where these parts are coming from just yet. This will be the entry point. I realize that by marking it down like this, I'm guaranteeing that it's going to be as awkward as possible.
Mm-hmm.
However.
It's the one spot it definitely won't be.
Yeah. And the last step is the rockets, which is only 2. All right. You know what? Let's put it over here, just to make it extra confusing in the future. Who am I kidding? There's no future in this. Grab the power, put it here.
Okay, that's all. Well, that's all the Caterium wired up, except I need more Caterium, but that's a separate problem.
This does need 4 parts. Okay. One of which is the modular engines. So how am I going to get that over here? I guess I could just go around the long way. Why isn't it lining up? Come on, game.
So then this stuff's gonna wrap around. You know what? Yeah, let's do it that way. Gotta stop picking the smart splitter. Don't need it. Why are you being like this?
Okay.
Damn it.
Yeah, perfect.
Splitter. Oh, no, thank you.
And yeah, we'll put that there. I foresee no way this could cause problems. Dang it, it's causing problems.
That was very fast turnaround.
Who could have seen it coming?
That was pretty good for an eyeball shot there. Wow. Okay, that's 2 parts. Now, where the hell's the rubber? I have legitimately no idea where I put that.
Let's put this guy over here. Nope, that was bad. Nope, that was also bad.
Excuse me. Where the hell's the rubber in this joint? Did we run any over?
Not good enough.
Did we run any over?
Rubber?
It's
I
coal.
feel like
What the fuck are we using coal for?
steel.
Right.
Somewhere in that mess is where our original steel production is.
Yeah.
Buried
Yeah.
under layers of nonsense.
Okay, are we... We must be bringing rubber in somewhere. I feel fairly confident we were using it over here.
We only really started paying attention to rubber, like, last stream when we were setting up the nuclear stuff.
Oh,
I
yeah,
don't remember
you're right.
why.
Yeah, I don't know if we brought it over here. Because we were like, where the hell is the rubber? It's supposed to be here. And then it's like, oh no, it's produced in this totally other different spot. And then we forgot about it. So actually... might need to bring it on down.
Okay, so the machines for one part of the Sky God parts are set up. We just need to import a mess of ingredients.
Yeah.
So, all right. And of course, each tier needs a distinct set of parts.
Obviously.
So that's a total of eight parts. Okay. Not a big deal. Let's start from the start. Reinforced iron plates.
There's a line for that. Somewhere. Did we bring those? Where do we bring those? I thought that we were bringing those up to the base.
I don't think we are. Oh wait, hold on.
No, those are regular iron plants. Yeah.
Yeah. We are using them though, I think.
Okay, where the hell's the rubber? Oh, hold on. What's this line? Oh, what's this? Where's this getting fed from? Yeah. Okay. Oh, that is getting fed from... Oh, that line. Huh. Oh, here we go. Here's the other rubber. We are importing it into a box.
That makes sense.
Alright, well. Very well.
It was around here somewhere, wasn't it? These are all pipes.
I'm curious, have you checked out Humankind?
I've heard about a bunch about it, but I haven't actually looked at it myself.
I mean, I've witnessed
kind of,
others playing it.
Right.
I guess my question is more, are you a 4X fan?
I am a fair weather Civ fan. I've tried to play. I'm not very good at them, is the problem.
Fake Civ girl. Got it.
Sure.
Yeah, that would be me as well. The last Civ I really played to death was Civ 1, so...
Yeah. Like a couple, maybe like 5 or 6 years ago, I sort of discovered like Open Civ, I think is what it was called, and played a bunch out of that. Played a shit out of that. Yep.
You definitely
played
a shit out of it. At least one.
At least one. It was a good shit.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I tried to play Civ 4. I think that was modern at the time. And it was alright. Oh hey, I just found an iron plate machine that was just not hooked up to anything.
Oh cool, that happens.
It's fun. Yeah. We're not consuming them, so it doesn't matter. But it does sound interesting.
I'm watching some other people play it, specifically people who are good at 4Xs. Play it. And one of the things I've seen from it that I find really interesting, as opposed to Civ, is it gives you these kind of like, I equate it to Frostpunk kind of choices. Not nearly as bleak, mind you,
right,
as Frostpunk, but the same rough idea of like you'll have these events that happen, and the events will, like, depending on what you choose for the event, augments your civilization going forward.
That makes sense.
So beyond just the usual, like, you pick your people. I don't even know what the term is.
Your Civ?
Yeah, you like picking your civilization and just running with it. This one you can change every time you switch ages. You can actually switch,
right,
which is really interesting. But then there's also these small little decisions you make that augment it further.
Is it switching, or is it more like?
Yeah, no, you can switch. You can be like the Greeks in the Neolithic era, whatever.
Right.
And then,
so what I mean is,
or I guess classic, and then yeah.
What I mean is more like, are you switching, or is it like all the stuff that whatever Greek give you, plus now whatever you get for?
No, you actually do change. So because you can continue to be the Greeks, or you can switch to, I don't know, the Byzantines or France or whatever the hell. And I think like each of those classes, as you kind of progress through the ages, get more stuff associated to them. Oh boy, this is gonna be a mess. Having to bring in an external material, boy howdy, does it start complicating things quickly.
Wait, hold on.
Hi.
Oh, because so I forgot where rubber was coming from. I was gonna say rubber. I thought was coming from over yonder, but no, it's coming from a different place.
Yeah, it's coming from very far away.
Yeah.
So I'm trying very hard to kind of maintain kind of product highways through here.
Sure.
But
for what it's worth.
It's a whole lot.
Yeah. It's fun because I'm now already building on top of where
what
you
I just did.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go look at this.
Where was that? That was over here.
And then hoping I can just do this. So I can bring you all the way over there. Whoa. This is where the real delay is having to import. Like, we have a lot of stuff we're building in this area.
Yeah.
But there's some things we just ain't.
Yeah.
Batteries is another one.
Based.
I'm gonna have to bring batteries over here in a minute too.
Yeah.
And like it's gonna be a whole thing.
I mean, there is a public works project to bring all that stuff over.
Oh.
All the aluminum-based products. Naturally, it hasn't got any funding because of the public works project. But
right.
We were planning to do it at one point.
Can I get all the way over here? Can I get all the way over here? Of course I fucking can't get all the way over there. Stupid question.
Please connect.
Nope. Okay.
Okay, I was just making a Wind Waker noise.
Oh. Fair enough. Carry on.
Alright, I will. Oh.
That reminds me of a different thing. A different game.
I think...
Breath of Fire 3,
Breath of Wild.
actually.
Oh. Okay, different breath.
There's a thing in there where he goes, hey. I think it's at the end of a mini game. I'm having like a weird sense memory thing right now with it. I was like, I can't quite. I know it's from there, but I can't tell you exactly the context of it.
That's fun.
What? 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 You what?
What?
Sorry.
What?
No, it's just I'm somehow encroaching on a thing's clearance. And it's like, how am I doing this thing? But whatever.
Oh, I thought you were upset at something I did.
No.
Which would likely be justified. But whatever it was.
Belt crimes.
Oh my fucking god. Why?
We've definitely normalized like the jaywalking of belt crimes in this. So
all crimes are designed to enforce lower social and economic status. So fuck it up.
Yeah.
Like the crime of trying to build a pole on top of another pole.
Does it actually allow you to do that?
Normally, yes. Except in very limited cases where no. Also, of note, the stackable poles are called poles.
Or what?
They're still poles. They're just stackable. Which is what I'm referring to. You can't stack normal poles. Oh god, I have to bring it so high up. You ever have the thing where you're regretting life choices?
You're gonna have to be more specific.
Yeah, I know. My bad. Is this Final Fantasy Tactics?
No, this is Satisfactory.
Ah, yes, you're right. Wow, I have a video with music that doesn't have a table of contents.
Oh wow, it's just a raw YouTube upload?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah. How old is that?
2019.
Oh wow. Okay.
Lazy video maker only stitched together 5 hours of music.
Yeah, 5 hours. How much rubber does this actually need? 45 minutes. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Still need to sort my Caterium problem.
This is Final Fantasy 6.
Okay, so it took me like an hour to get these computers up.
Hey, computers are complicated.
Rubber go in. And then one of these gets clocked down to what did I say? 0.02? What is that? Is that literally just 2%?
That is what 0.02 would be.
Oh
But
my god.
you could also just... The intention was that you'd spread it out. You can, I guess you can do whatever, but...
Okay, how do I spread that out then? Is that what
It's
the machine
87.75.
percentage is?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. That makes more sense. More sense. Oh my god, I can't talk.
More
I can't talk and think number.
Think number is hard. I get it.
Alright. So yeah, I still need to sort the Caterium out because there's just not enough. Oh, it's definitely not enough. Okay. Alright, because you're still flooding into these machines, right? Because they're Caterium stacks of 500. Let's just help this along a little bit. I didn't need all those stacks of Caterium on my person anyways.
No, no you don't.
Okay, so this requires 92. But 137.
Alright. 1/8 of the parts for this one section. Complete.
Oh, that is just one belt now of Caterium. Perfect! Okay, so we have computers.
Excellent.
Alright. Next. Supercomputers. I think that's the next logical step for me.
That would make sense. Everyone knows you take a Gateway 2000 PC and you just cram some of the parts into it. Yeah, super.
You just keep dumping parts into it until it supers.
Exactly.
Okay, so what's that one?
Alright, rotors.
God,
Are we making rotors
Satisfactory
yet?
wiki search. Be better. What?
We're not making rotors yet, are we? That's on your to-do list.
That's on the to-do list.
Okay.
What is that recipe, actually?
That is not me saying we need them right now.
Yeah, that is the steel rotor, I do believe.
That sounds right.
Okay. Let me just
The other thing I
look
need
at
is
that
plastic.
recipe. The steel rotor, I do believe, is pipes and it is copper. Okay. Where's that stuff all being produced? Because I should be able to do that pretty quick for you.
Wait, Mark 4. What am I doing?
Hold on. Is that produced down here? No, we're producing copper wire.
It should be roughly
It's
in
up
the
here.
same place.
Yeah, it's up here. Yeah, okay, so here's the copper wire. And what was the other thing I said? Pipes?
Yeah.
Okay. We need how many of those machines? 3. Okay. Okay.
Plastic.
Alright, I'm gonna do a thing here.
Oh, we never shipped plastic to the base. Alright.
No, we shipped it.
What
There
did
is a
we-
line. No, that's a lie. There is a line you could use.
Yeah, yeah, I found it. I found it.
I'm pulling off of it, so I don't know how much plastic you need, but...
I mean, right now there's a whole line that's just going into a box, which is
Yeah.
the one you're pulling off of.
Yeah.
How much do I need? I don't think it's a lot. 10. In fact, our total plastic consumption is less than the build, so it doesn't matter.
Alright.
That makes it easy. Ugh. Come on. I need where's my chainsaw? I'll make these builds fit.
Yeah, I'm trying to shoehorn something in here, and I think that's just a stupid idea.
All the better reason to do it.
Well, it's just everything I need for it is right here. Just doesn't fit. Alright.
Well. Nothing. Don't worry about it. It's fine.
Right. Is it? Are you looking at what I'm doing?
No, I'm looking at... It's fine. Don't worry about it.
I hope you understand how ominous that sounded.
No, I know. It's fine. It's just a weird clipping thing. I built a vertical belt too low, and now the belt is going to the floor. It's fine. It's recessed. That's what I'm going to claim.
Fair enough.
All right. Motors and rubber are next. I'm going to say we're probably not building motors yet either.
No, they need crystal oscillators. They're kind of a pain in the ass. Please feel free, actually no, to start that process if you want. But
Let's see what happens. I'm going to run these other builds first.
I'm currently working on the rotors,
Okay.
which are very easy to make. I'm putting them in a stupid spot
Right.
because I guess fuck both of us, I guess.
Right. Yes. I mean, that's how we've operated so far.
Mm-hmm.
No sense deviating from that now.
I mean, yeah, why would you? Okay, there's pipes. And this is also... Okay, so this is the in pipes. The in pipes go... What are you currently feeding? Can I just eat this? These pipes all feed industrial case beams.
Please work, please work, please work. Damn it. Oh, how do I fix this?
That's 10? That's pretty low steel. I might be able to just get away with eating this. That would be nice.
Nom nom nom.
Hmm. Because, yeah, they need 30 per minute. So the question is, how much are these eating? 28 times what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's rubber.
13, 14, 15. Okay. 8 times 15 is 420. Nice.
Nice.
Cool. I can just pull straight off that line then. I don't have to worry about rebalancing. Fantastic. In fact, I can just split straight off of this line. Yeah, hold on. Hold on.
Wait.
Oh, you're feeding to... Oh, shit. Hold on. That might be a lie.
Oh wait, what the heck? What's this other rubber line?
Huh? What do you mean, don't you say other? Oh, no, the one inside of our base, that's off of our old thing.
Yes,
that,
I just realized my mistake. Essentially, because the real rubber line is like 12 feet to the left. And is not severely constrained.
Okay, hold on, that's coming up from there. That's not coming down. Is that all of it? Hold on. That's not all of our pipes, right? No.
There we go. That's some good rubber. Alright, so currently missing rotors, motors, and then all these parts, which I don't think we're making any of. Turbo motors, cooling system, fused frames. Although we kind of are, but probably not enough. Yeah. Alright, I'll look into those crystal oscillators, I guess.
Sorry, I'm just trying to find where... I'm just trying to find where the hell I get my pipes from.
Sure. Unfortunately, you needed blue, which you explicitly told me to not pay attention to. So, seems like you're on your own, but okay, fine.
Can I? Of course I can't. You know what? I can probably do this. Yaha!
Yeah.
Makes sense to do that. I should probably just do this over here, right?
Insulated crystal oscillators. Oh, that's a pain in the ass.
What?
Well, maybe
what
the AI
specifically
limiters.
about the crystal oscillators?
The AI limiter part.
Are we ever making those?
We are making them, but over at the nuclear, aren't we? No,
We aren't. We are making them. We're making them somewhere around here.
Because we were, and then we decided that was stupid.
Okay.
Quite possibly.
Oh god, I have to get all the way over there. Oh my god. This is so stupid. Okay. Alright. Alright. Well, we're here. We're here now. There isn't even a better way to do this. I don't think. Hold on, maybe there is?
Did we make quartz crystal? It's only one machine.
Yeah.
It's a refinery.
Yeah.
So I have no idea how to find it. I guess I could follow.
Oh, it's a refinery? We must have.
Yeah, pure quartz crystal. Is it this refinery over here? Well, that's not a refinery, it's a miner. We've marked it as done.
We have, yes.
Oh, hold on. No, I'm a liar. Wait, what? Hold on. We have a bunch of
I'm on tenterhooks here.
We have a bunch of assemblers making quartz
Yes,
crystal.
we do. Yep. That we do.
But that's not what the spreadsheet says.
Yeah, because I didn't do anything with them, so we may have just absolutely forgot about that one.
I mean, I think we're making a lot more than we actually need. So
Absolutely.
I guess great.
Yeah, it's not the solution, but it's a solution.
Yeah, I guess it works.
Okay, where the hell is... Oh boy. Okay. Alright. Well, you know what? I'm gonna make this work.
Right.
Nope, we gotta go one more.
Those are the high-speed connectors. Limiters must be around here somewhere.
Oh, we really should have color-coded some shit.
Or like made a map.
I mean, we got a map, sorta.
Well,
But-
you've got a map. I got a topographical survey.
I mean, I also basically have a topographical survey. The map that we have doesn't help a whole lot. Because you can't filter by like type of machine.
Hmm.
So oh, sorry. Someone was in my chat and I absolutely did not notice.
Oh no.
Well, Tornado Zach, if you're still here, hello. And Holy Factory, yeah, bud. We're at the end game, so to speak. That was not what I should have done. We're building. We are building enough machines to build all the parts we need to please the sky gods in what was it, 8 hours ish?
Something like that. It has been
It's been a journey.
a month since I made that spreadsheet, or more.
Yeah, but what even is time, really?
Oh, hold on. I think AI limiters don't actually factor into any of that stuff.
Yes.
No, it says we built it. Hold on.
We've definitely built them.
I probably was trying to find 2 needles in this.
Well, what are they used for?
Well, let's find out. They are used for crystal oscillators.
That's it?
That's it. According to the sheet.
We must have made them then. What are they made of?
Let's see. Sheets and quick wire. Copper sheets and quick wire.
Copper sheets and quick wire?
Yeah. Now I know copper sheets are coming out of a refinery that's over here somewhere.
Copper sheets and quick wire.
God. My frame rate when I'm looking over here is like 15
Uh-huh.
on average. Yeah, so this is producing copper sheets. So I guess I can follow this line. And hopefully
Yeah. Yeah. That sounds right.
Oh, what? Okay, well, good news. I found where the copper sheets go. It's
Okay.
into the grinder over here.
Oh, because you made them, we weren't doing anything with them yet.
Yeah, it was like a placeholder.
Yeah.
So it is possible, likely even, that we haven't actually built the AI limiters.
Really? How many do we need? How many AI limiter machines do we need?
Not a lot, like 2.
I swan to John I made those.
I'm gonna go ahead and believe that we did not.
I guess if there's no other copper sheets coming in, then yeah, I guess not.
Well, okay, so here, what do we need copper sheets for? I think it might just be this. Copper sheets. Yeah, it's just this. Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Well. Cool.
Now, I will say, wait. I think something terrible happened to the sheet because there's a cell missing. Can I recover it? Oh, I killed it.
Just now?
At 10:21, so an hour ago. Thank you, Google, for having edit history. All right. What was it? Oh yeah. So AI limiters. Quick wire and sheets. Well, I know where the sheets are. Well, I don't think we're making enough with it.
Fuck's sake, are you serious?
No, we are. We're good. Are we? All right. So I guess stop raining that for now. And then quick wire. So not much.
No! No! God damn it. Okay, back to you. You. Steel rotor. Steel rotor. Steel rotor. I don't know where these are going.
The rotors?
Yeah.
Well, some of them are going to motors, and some of them I need at the Sky God Palace.
Okay. Well, these are built in the...
Possibly other things.
Why did I do this? Why?
That's always the question.
I made a decision. I'm just gonna put them here for now, and then when we figure out where they're actually going, we'll sort that problem. Let's get some
Well, I mean,
power.
if you have them, I can route them. They have a destination.
I definitely
Eager.
have them.
All right. Well, let's get them going then.
Yeah, I'm just powering it up now. And then you can see why I just kind of winced at my own hubris. Okay, so what was that I just made? That was
rotors, you said.
rotors, right? Okay. 2.41. Okay.
Could you? Is it possible to route the output, like, above the rubber belt? Is that feasible?
Where's the rubber belt?
Like this conduit here.
Oh, yeah. We just have to. Yes.
Or what's the best way to get over to where I am?
Yes. Yep. I can. Where do you need it to be?
Like if you just follow that rubber belt back, I'm gonna start building a belt.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That can be done. Yes.
Okay.
Just give me a second to adjust these machines. Clock speed, and then I will.
Sure thing.
Solve that little extra thing. Okay. Excuse me? Why not? Conveyor belt too steep. You're too steep.
It's a glandular problem.
Go. Right. Oh man, my frame rate. She's starting to suffer.
Starting.
Uh-huh.
This is the right.
Alright. There you go. There's your rotors.
Alright, let me just make sure that this is actually where they're supposed to go. Pretty sure it is.
Oh, whoa,
Yes.
our supercomputers got, I goofed them up. There we go. Everything's fine. Never mind.
Alright.
Ignore the man behind the screen. Okay, so supercomputers, oh god, I need to rent the batteries and stuff over here, don't I? God. Just look at this production C. Good lord.
Well, at least it's not an efficiency. Because that would be really unfortunate.
Hmm. Okay. Let's have a look at rotors done. Back to the supercomputer. So I need computers, electromagnetic rods, wires, and batteries. Alright.
Alright, look at them rotors go.
Yeah. Where are control rods?
They're in here somewhere.
Uh-huh.
The belt, it's under the rubber belt, actually.
Ah.
Handily
So
enough.
I can follow that back.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, what was I doing?
Ah, here we go.
Oh,
And that's making computers there. So 1, 2. Need wire. I can't remember where wire is right now. That's down, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah? No. Wait. No, it's not. It's right here. Right. That's like basically no wire. Okay, perfect. So that's actually not so bad. How many of these machines do I need? Supercomputers. 4. Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay, let's just do that. Nope, lost power. There we go. Okay. You know, it is a little buck wild just how much the factory has grown since we started this. Like this end game scenario.
Yeah. It is as my stream notification says. The factory must grow.
The factory will grow until morale improves. Alright. So let's build 4 manufacturers.
It's a build.
It's a me. This row needs to be 1 wider, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Okay. 1, 2. Do I have space for it to be 1 wider? No, it doesn't need to be 1 wider. Does this work? Oh yeah, it does. That's fine. Should take that back. Nah, screw it. Nah, I lost power again. I'm almost out of cement again.
Ooh, fancy.
That keeps happening. Okay.
Where's this power? Over here? No. What if I do this?
So that's control rods.
What the hell is that connected to? Oh.
And I need computers over here.
I need to take a short break. I will be back.
Oh shit.
Momentarily.
Okay. Just like that for the moment. Okay, what's the third thing I need that I have? Wire. Right. And wire comes from... I can just use this wire? So this is using effectively 75. So how much do the computers need? Um, 78.5. That's not going to adjust the actual wire input. So let's just go with the upper limit for now. So that's 216. It'll be less once it's actually consuming it, but so this puts out 120, 240, 360, 480, some stupid number. It's so yeah, that's fine. What's this guy doing? He's just making 90. That's fun. I don't know what that's for yet, but that's fun. You know what? That 90 right there, actually, factually, son of a bitch, would feed this like much better. Okay, let's undo some of my bullshit here.
I return.
Hello. I
Any
found out
exciting
what I can do
info?
with that piddly little thing of a wire.
All right.
I was like, because I have to feed wire elsewhere. I was like, oh, I need to get so much, you know, to this. Well, okay, what can I do with the rest of it? And the answer, as it turns out, is that little piddly one is perfect for the 3 rotors machines that we need.
All right.
Because they need a grand total of 75. And that machine, that one line, that was just like, what the hell is this little guy doing here? Produces 90.
There you go. It's almost.
So that's where that's going to get fed from.
Planet.
Almost. Which now means I've freed up that other line. Oh boy. Oh, I have to pull it all the way over there. Okay.
Manufacturers.
God damn it.
Why is everything manufacturers?
Because
Yeah,
because there is no God.
we killed him.
Yeah. Look down, ye mighty, in despair. We have become belts.
Now, the real question is, will I be able to fit everything I need between this space and that huge cliff right there?
I hope you can.
The answer is probably going to be almost.
I shouldn't laugh at that. That's just happened to me so many times up here. It's like, this should fit right. Yeah, it should. It doesn't.
Yeah.
Such has been my experience.
This is as far as the platforms go, so I think it should be fine. I don't need to fit 3 of these damn things here. I don't even have the parts, do I? No. Okay.
No, I'm almost out of aluminum. Oh no.
The
Yeah,
worst feeling.
I mean, kind of is. There. Oh wow, that used literally all of my aluminum. Alright. Guess I'm on my way back to refuel.
Alright. Okay, that should be enough space. It looks like it is.
Where are you? Oh, right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that looks like it's enough space. Wow, look at those 2 rotors go.
Yeah. Blazing, what are we making, like 46 per minute?
I mean, if that's all we need, I guess.
Yeah. It's 12 per minute.
Is that actually all we need?
Yeah.
That's wild.
I mean, their rotors are surprisingly high tier for being like a tier 3 product.
What do I need? I need a buttload of aluminum and cement. Okay. Okay, and then aluminum's up here. God, and I gotta route all those batteries back. Right.
I mean, that sounds like something we could do together next stream, because we also need to bring back... Wait. Did we bring back the casings?
Yep.
And we didn't bring back the batteries?
No, we brought back the batteries. They're just at base.
Oh.
I just, like, there's a line here just sitting doing nothing.
Oh.
Like, right here.
Okay, that's fine.
It's just one of those things where, like, ugh, yet another thing. That's all.
I thought you were complaining about having to bring them back from the aluminum factory.
Oh. Yeah, I guess that would be worse, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what? If I'm already coming back, I may as well bring the batteries with me. Oh my god.
Oh.
Hmm?
I'm
What?
still here, right?
What? I'm here. What madness hath you wrought here? What is going on?
Oh, I thought you were reacting to me getting kicked out of the game.
Nope. Nope. I'm asking hard questions about your belt setup here.
Listen, when I can't build the towers, what do you expect me to do? Blame the game. Don't blame the player. Also, don't mix those belts up, or I'm gonna be pissed.
Yeah, rotors went on top. I got it. So this one connected to the leg bone. Leg bone's connected to my wristwatch. It goes there. Okay, the rotor comes to here.
Alright. So whatever kicked me out of the game, it wasn't on my end. I have not dropped any frames.
I mean, I've dropped I've dropped a little, but not like a substantial amount.
When I clicked back into your Twitch, I was 60 seconds behind, and then the player died. So I have no idea what happened. Which is not necessarily your fault.
I mean, I'm happy to take the blame. I don't care, but
I'm just saying what happened.
Actually, no.
My stream seems fine, and Discord seems fine. So I don't know.
Let's at least try to keep some intent with these belts of what goes up and what goes down. Let's try.
Boy, this login sequence really is a thing.
Oh, good.
I guess it makes sense that our factory is just keeps getting bigger and takes longer and longer for me to join.
Yep.
It's not entirely a shock. But
Oh, it is unpleasant though.
oh, I hear sound. Oh, I'm in the air. Wow. I'm glad I was like not 6 inches further to the right, or else I would have been maybe dead. Alright, what the hell was I doing?
Belt is too steep. Liar.
Oh, right, I was out of iron plates.
I should just route these that way, shouldn't I? Because this highway's getting pretty gnarly in here. I need them over there. So, yeah. Why don't we just do that? I don't know if that's the better idea or not, but we're gonna do it. Can I just... Can. Fantastic. Oh boy. There. 2, 5, 6, 7. Oh. Oh. Right there. Fantastic.
Oh, Henry.
Wow. I forgot that that was actually their slogan.
Uh-huh. Advertisements really are a thing, aren't they?
Yes, they are. Can I do this?
So that's that. Alright, more rubber and quartz crystal. I can do this.
I believe in you.
Why did we leave this tree here?
Because I don't have a chainsaw. Okay, batteries go up there. Batteries make it to here. I think. Hope. I aim.
Oh, hold on. My stream did disconnect.
Oh.
Because Stream Elements just posted again.
Oh, weird. Okay. Well.
I've been live for 2.5 hours and I've dropped 0 frames. So that's weird also.
That is weird. It could have been a connection, like an issue with connecting to the server or something.
Maybe. Really quite strange. I suppose it's also possible. No. Like I say, maybe I reconnected the chat and saw it twice somehow. But the message is different because my game changed since the start of my stream. So
Oh?
weird.
What were we playing at the start?
I dipped into Zelda Classic. A Zelda remake engine. Very temporarily. Alright, I think we left this tree because it's a super infinity tree that cannot be chopped down.
Oh, maybe.
By mortal hands. Every time I chop it down, it stays and just gives me more resources.
Wait,
it's
really?
kind of fun. Yeah.
Huh. The infinity?
Yeah, exactly. Stupid infinity.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, hold on. Where am I bringing you to? 7 over there. Okay. Let's see if that actually worked. Might have been too far. Yeah.
Well, I guess that's fine. I have all this wood. Goodbye, wood. Goodbye, leaves. Good night, moon.
Alright. So then. God, how did I keep doing that? I'm like off by 1 with placing these elevated poles. So it's not a 90 degree. It's like it's just off by 1.
Yeah, it's annoying. I don't know. I do the same thing.
So then,
I just shrug.
computer.
Alright, let's swap. Careful.
Do that.
Let's run across this way.
Oh, fuck you. God damn it. There we
Yeah, it's probably fair.
And these ones are coming the other way.
No, we'll do better. Fine.
Wait, hold on. Computer, control rods. Oh yeah, copper. Right.
The 3 C's.
God damn it, that's actually very good. Encroaching on others' clearance, of course you are. Go there. There. Go like this. Go like this. Let's go like that, and then I need to get copper in here somehow. Okay. Good lord. Okay. I should have brought more aluminum. Grabbed a bunch of stacks and didn't think about the fact that it's like not nearly enough.
Really?
Splitter. There. Let's get a supply of that. That's gonna have copper. That's batteries. Wood is going there. There's control rods.
Okay. All right. There's quartz crystal going. Just one more. And then we'll have crystal oscillators for minutes.
Alright.
Rubber. That should be easy.
You go in there. You go in there. Okay, that's one side of this nightmare complete.
Hell yeah.
I don't know if I can do this. Guess we're gonna find out.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Sure, that works. I believe the Egyptians call this a cartouche.
I don't know what you're referring to. I have no way of parsing that.
Don't worry about it. It's fine.
Fuck!
Alright, crystal oscillators are done.
God damn it, I knew that was gonna be too tight. That's fine. It's fine.
Alright, so who needs these damn things?
Rotors?
The crystal oscillators are used by radio control units and motors.
Those are like the most expensive motors.
Yes. Also the most efficient. Somehow. I'm sure there's an explanation for it.
I'm sure.
Alright. Are the motors already set up and they're just waiting?
No.
No. Do you know where they'll be set up?
Nope.
Have you started to set them up?
Nope. I'm working on supercomputers.
Ah. Let's see. Okay, well. It is 12:05.
Yeah.
Kind of don't want to start a new build.
Nope. Oh shit.
But
Okay.
I think we're in a good place to get it done next time.
Just need to bring batteries over, and then I'm done.
I think supercomputer, or no. I need turbo motors. Let me double
Does it
check.
make sense to road computers around like that? Maybe it does, actually. Oh my god. Why? Okay. Put that back. Where's the bed? Right there. Does not make sense to do that. Okay. There's a reason for it. Or not for it, I guess, more accurately.
Oh, yeah. Look at all the smart plating being made.
Whew. Whew, whew, whew.
You know what? I'm gonna shoehorn a box in here. There's literally no reason to do this. But that's never stopped me before.
Just need a splitter. Right here. And in you go. Good enough. I need some power.
There. Seamless.
One, two, Okay. And I guess it makes sense to have him go that way. He says not sure at all about which way I should be doing. Yeah. Yeah, okay. It's less messy. Still messy. Alright, I have supercomputer. No, I don't. Hold on. What's going on here? Super sticky computer, right. Alright. You should start filling it pretty quick. Okay. Supercomputers are being produced.
Excellent.
Lordy, that took... Whoa. I gotta stop hitting the W key. That took longer than I thought it would.
It happens.
I did rotors, right? Yeah, I did. Green. Alright. Alright.
Alright.
I'm sorry, which ones... Which of the whatchamacallits did you get done?
The ones that I marked. I did the crystal oscillators and the AL emitters. Oh, up top. I guess. I mean, technically. I guess smart putting is done. And installing motors for modular engines, and I need a bunch of shit for thermal propulsion rockets.
Hmm. Alright. Okay. So,
but the build itself is done.
Right. Okay, so what's left? We need radio control units.
Yeah.
Motors, cooling system, turbo motors, fuse modular frames. And packed nitrogen gas.
Yeah.
Hey, hold on. Doesn't packaged nitrogen gas require containers?
It does.
How are we making those?
Oh, no. It uses aluminum.
Oh, you just feed it straight aluminum?
I think so. Let's double check. Package nitrogen gas needs an empty fluid tank, which is just aluminum ingots. So now you may be wondering where the empty fluid tanks are. We did build them already, but they are out at the base. They are out at aluminum zone, I bet.
Oh, fuck me. So we're gonna ship those all the dang hell ass way back, huh?
That's a problem for next week.
Yeah, that's a problem for next week. Alright. Well, alright. At least they're getting made.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Okay. God, I need a screenshot. Oh, where do I even do a screenshot at this point?
You could just draw a bunch of scribbles and say that that's all the belts.
Okay. Why is that looking like that? That's weird. The one, like, it's just permanently showing me arrows. Those machines. And, like, the build outlines.
That's weird.
It is weird.
building?
Nope. Sure ain't. I'm just gonna ignore those then.
Maybe that's like to engage in, that's to improve engagement on YouTube. Arrows pointing at things.
Mm-hmm.
It makes it hot in Brazil, I think.
God.
It's a good thing it's dusk, so that's getting real dark.
Yep.
Well, I'm gonna log out.
That's fair. I'm just going to... Where is it? Lookout tower. Climb up here. There we go. Oh, it seems to have resolved itself now.
All right.
This is spooky. All right. Whew. End of stream 41. Just think if we hadn't, like, started doing this twice a week, how much further behind would we be? Don't even know. Whoops. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna park myself right here. Override that save so I don't end up getting very confused. Alright. Alright. There we go.
What time was on that save file? Was it? Did I see 124 hours?
Oh.
Was that correct?
Hold on, let's see. Load game. 129 hours.
Ah, okay. That makes more sense.
Yeah. 129 hours. Good grief.
Uh-huh. Almost 260 man hours. Or person hours.
Yeah, actually. Yeah. This ran over budget a little.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Just a little bit.
Just a bit. We're almost done. Scope creep aside, we're almost done.
Uh-huh.
Christ.
Pardon me.
The real question is, will we be proud at the end of it all?
I think we will be happy to see it all completed.
The real question is, when Satisfactory 1.0 drops, will we do it again?
No. If we can continue this map, maybe.
Sure, yeah. Yeah.
If it's not buried inside a mountain, then maybe.
Yeah, fair enough.
I do not want to do this again. Ever in my life.
Well, I think we can cut out like 10 streams from Fixmas, unless they do another Fixmas, which they probably would.
I don't think Fixmas wasn't 10 whole streams, was it?
I
think
it was like 8. I thought it was like 8. You know what? Hold on. There's a way to check.
Because that's like relatively. A whole month.
Let's see. Yeah, but we went into January with it. Let's have a quick gander.
Right, because we started late, I think.
Yeah. Multifactory. And I'm gonna scroll down until I start seeing the word Fixmas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, hold on. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's just 5 streams.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
So that was.
It wasn't too much to it.
Hold on.
The arrays we built for Fixmas pale in comparison to the ones we've been building for this.
That is true. So let's see. How much time was that for Fixmas? So let's call that 3 1/4, 6 1/4, 9. Almost 12 hours of Fixmas.
Sure, that's reasonable.
So, there we go. Yeah, that's gonna do it for us tonight. I guess we'll be back on Monday with more of this.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can. I'm hoping we can get to more of at least the blue parts on Monday. We've only got a couple of the raw production left, right? It's radio control units, fuse frames, package gas, and turbo motors.
Yeah.
Is it, and then we're on to blue stuff.
Yeah. So the red machines in the blue section are set up. The other groups are not. And I think the parts we need, we are making for the rest of them, other than the ones we haven't already made, obviously.
Right.
We've made all the parts except for the ones we have. Is what I'm saying.
Yes. Yeah, it'd be cool if we could get through, or get at least into the blue on Monday. That'd be great. That's the goal. Yeah. I think we
out of the black into blue.
Yeah. But yeah, that's gonna do it for us tonight. Yeah, we'll be back Monday with more of this, and yeah, I don't have anything else. So.
All right.
Easy. So, as always, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay safe, have fun, wear your goddamn mask, schedule your vaccinations if you can, and we will see you later.
Bye.